Jack and Jill. Once upon a time, in a village surrounded by rolling hills and flowering meadows, there were two best friends, Jack and Jill. They were inseparable and known for their adventures, which often led to them returning home with muddy shoes and wide smiles. One day, while playing near the woods, they heard an old tale about a magical well atop one of the hills. It was said that this well could grant a single wish to anyone who fetched its water. However, few had ever reached it due to the tricky path and mysterious challenges along the way. Filled with curiosity, Jack and Jill decided to embark on this new adventure. They packed a pail and began their ascent up the hill. But it wasn't as simple as the other hills they'd climbed before. As they trekked, they encountered riddles carved onto stones. Move forward with steps so light, for only silence conquers the night. Taking heed, they tiptoed past a sleeping owl, careful not to wake him. Another stone read, "To cross the stream, think as a team." So, using stepping stones and helping each other balance, they crossed a bubbling brook, laughing and splashing. When they finally reached the well, it shimmered with a magical aura. Jack, ever eager, bent down to fill the pail. But as he did so, he lost his balance and began to tumble. Without thinking, Jill reached out to grab him, but found herself tumbling too. They rolled down the hill, laughing uncontrollably, the spilled water sparkling around them like a shower of stars. When they finally came to a stop at the bottom, they realized they'd forgotten to make a wish. However, as they looked around, they found the flowers brighter, the birdsong sweeter, and their bond stronger than ever. They realized that the journey itself, filled with challenges, laughter, and teamwork, was more magical than any wish they could have made. Back in the village, when asked about the well's magic, they simply smiled and said, the true magic was the adventure itself. And so, in that village, the story of Jack and Jill's magical journey became a beloved tale, reminding everyone that sometimes the journey is more valuable than the destination. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.